Hello there, my name is Joe McBride. I'm a client manager with Exclusive Links. Today I'm very pleased to introduce you to a new development launching in JVC called Geneva. The developer is Semi-furnished, and although new to the Dubai market, with over 30 years proven track record in Saudi Arabia, they are no strangers when it comes to construction in the Middle East. Geneva is due to be handed over in Q1 of 2024. It will offer a mix of studios, 1 beds and 2 beds, and a very limited number of 3-bed and 3-bed duplexes. Although this project has many key features, the most attractive is the 3-year post-handover payment plan. Some of the other key features I would like to mention is that all of the units come semi-furnished with kitchen white goods included. All units are equipped with smart home technology, so you can control the AC, lights, and even open and close the curtains from the touch of your smartphone or tablet. A rarity in new buildings, and particularly for apartments, the air conditioning is centralised, meaning a potentially huge saving in utility costs. Each apartment has allocated covered parking, and there is also an electric car recharging on site for the convenience of residents. And did I mention the location? Each apartment interior has been finished to the highest quality, and with these show apartments ready to view, I welcome you to come down and see for yourself. I'm based on site, but please make an appointment and let me show you around the newest projects in JVC, a purchase that would ideally suit investors, first-time buyers and young families.